Hi, and welcome to this video on how to create PayPal account. To get started, go to paypal.com. Once you're on the main page, click on the Sign Up button at the top. You'll be directed to a page where you'll have two options. You can either sign up for a personal account, which is used for shopping and sending money, or a business account, which is ideal if you have an online business and want to accept payments securely and connect various tools. For this tutorial, I'll sign up for a personal account. After selecting this option, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Once you've done that, click Next. PayPal will then ask for a phone number to link to your account for security purposes. Enter your mobile number, and PayPal will send you a verification code to confirm that you own the number. You'll then be asked to create a password. Ensure your password is strong by including numbers, capital letters, and symbols. Once you've entered your password, click Next. The next step, you'll need to provide some personal information, such as your first name, middle name, if applicable, last name, and date of birth. After filling in these details, click Next. You'll then be asked to enter your address and agree to PayPal's policy by checking the boxes provided. Once you've done that, click the blue Agree and Create Account button. Your account will now be created, and you'll be redirected to your PayPal dashboard. At this point, PayPal will ask what you'd like to do first: shop or send money. If you're not ready to do either, you can click Not Now at the bottom of the screen. The next step is to link a credit card or bank account to your PayPal account, which is necessary to fully operate your account. Go ahead and add your payment details and then click Link Card. Now that your PayPal account is set up, you'll be taken to your main account page where you can start sending or requesting money. That's how you create a PayPal account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.